here are those gadgets. Okay, as you can see, right now it's switched off. Okay, so you have to turn this throb or whatever. Okay, like this, and this is how you turn on the volume. Okay, right there. Okay, so now let me show you where you're gonna connect this. And to get this little RGB thing, there's a USB cable that you have to plug it into your PC. Okay. Okay, and just so you know, guys, so this is my headphone. Okay, so this is my headphone. I want the audio to be played in here, and as well as in the speaker as well. In every motherboard, there's a backplate in the IO shield. As you can see, there's a card sound. Okay, so you're gonna see like three holes, right? Three connection, whatever. So this red cable, that's my headset. I've plugged this in in the middle. Okay, so my Ethernet cable just okay. I've plugged it in the middle, and this is the first hole. Okay, I didn't plug anything, and the second hole I plugged my headset, and the third hole, okay, the third connection, I've plugged the this speakers. Okay, so this is the setup. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna hit play.
So laggy, holy.
You can see right here, so that means the speaker is
Boink.
playing. Okay, and I'm
Oh,
also
got the
gonna
charge.
I'm also gonna make you hear both um inside here and as well here.